Are you learning to play the piano? How would you like to be able to learn complete songs all the way through by ear, pick out the melody, learn to accompany yourself with the left hand, and then develop that so you can start to express yourself and really make music with some great classic songs? This is what we do at Rebel Piano, and currently we've got 26 full song tutorials with up to 10, 12 lessons on each one, taking it from simple to developing it into something that really starts to sing. So at the moment we're learning Sailing by Rod Stewart, that classic I am sailing. Everyone knows this. And this next video I'm going to show you is a typical introduction to a song that we learn on Rebel Piano. Sit back and enjoy this. This is Sailing by Rod Stewart, and at the end I'll show you a full list of the songs that we do, all the songs, the fantastic songs that we do on Rebel Piano that you will be able to learn. And I'll show you a way to contact me and join Rebel Piano too. So enjoy this. Tell you, once you start and get these chords, there's 5 chords, 1, 2, 3rd chord, 4th chord, or is it only 4? I can't play and concentrate on talking. Rod Stewart's famous song, well, he made it famous, Sailing. It was originally written by the Sutherland Brothers. You may remember the group Sutherland Brothers and Quiver. Well, they were originally a duo from Scotland, playing folky kind of stuff. But they wrote this song and released it in 1972, didn't have much of a hit with it. But then Rod Stewart picked it up on his album Atlantic Crossing, which he recorded in America. It's the first one that he recorded over there in 1975. And it's been a massive worldwide hit. It was in that programme, I think it was called Sailing in Britain, which again boosted it all again in the 80s. So, I'm going to show you how to do this today. It's, well, maybe over the next few days. Get the chords, these chords, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is 5. 5 chords. I'll show you the chords first, then I'll show you how to play the melody really simply, doing nothing with the left hand, or even just that. And then I'll show you how to embellish it a bit so that it I can't help myself. Once I start playing a song like this, I can't stop myself. I want to carry on. And this will happen to you as well. Once you get these 5 chords and you've played it round and you've got the melody in your head, you can start, I know I go on about this, but you can start to loosen up and go somewhere with it. But at first, let's aim to get that melody and get the chords, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, see you in the first lesson. To Rebel Piano, click the monthly song project library, and here they all are. Norwegian Wood, Let It Be, Leaving on a Jet Plane, Let It Be Me by the Everly Brothers, that's for improvers. Dream, that's a simple one by the Everlys. Imagine by John Lennon, of course. Summertime, a bit of jazz. Stairway to Heaven, one of my favourites. Autumn Leaves, another bit of jazz. Whiter Shade of Pale, classic. It Hurts Me Too, that's a real blues song. Moon Dance by Van Morrison, Van the Man. Let It Be in the key of G, and because we've done it in the key of C higher up there. Harvest Moon, oh, delightful song. Happy Birthday, the most useful song in the world. You can play that to people over the phone, I do. Knocking on Heaven's Door, great. Bit of Dylan. Georgia on My Mind, classic song. Route 66, that's if you want to rock along. Daniel by Elton John. That's got a beautiful little melody which you'll soon get your fingers round. The Last Thing on My Mind by Tom Paxton. And also I'm teaching the Nashville number system in that song. You Never Can Tell, Chuck Berry, bit of rock and roll. Have I Told You Lately, another Van the Man song. And Lady Madonna by the Beatles. And also Sailing is going to be added this month. And there's also 2 more songs on the... there's a course for beginners, how to play piano by ear for beginners and music slaves. And in that I teach Ain't No Sunshine When She's Gone, the Bill Withers song, and also the classic Neil Diamond, Sweet Caroline, which you might think, well, it's a bit hackneyed that, but it's such a great melody to learn, and it does what it says on the tin. It's a great song to learn. It's a really good way to get your fingers working and everything. So that's Rebel Piano. Click the link under the description here and you'll be taken straight to my page. You can learn all about it. Okay, cheers.